everyone, I just want to show you all how I make my hair growth oil. And listen, I do understand that not everything works for everybody, but I'm just the type of person where I just want to share what I've learned, with everyone, whether it works or not, because who knows, it may help one. But I hope you all enjoy the video. If you like what you see, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and give me a nice comment below, because I'm kind of getting tired of deleting the negative comments and the bullying comments. So please, positive vibes only, positive comments only, and you all have a good day.